richer than you. I'ma get rich like ooh. I'ma get rich on you. I'ma be richer than you. I'ma be richer than you. 2, 3, shit came through. I'm trying to slow something. I told her back it up for a young G.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. As you guys know, man, I put out some morning announcements this morning. I talked about a couple different things, and I want to talk about the position that I have right now and what made me get into it. And even though I wasn't live and wasn't on the computer, as you guys know, I try to telegraph every single thing I do. So, you know, don't tell me that you didn't see when I got in this, because I posted it when I was up 1%. You know what I'm saying? It said exactly how much I put in it. I said, I put $1,000 in, and here's my position. You know what I mean? It just happens to be up right now because I happen to get it at an opportune time. I'm going to actually show you guys what made me jump in at the position I jumped in at, so that you guys can learn from that. And then we're going to move on and look for another trade, because this is not my end all be all. You know what I'm saying? This is just my position that's long. That's got some time on it, but I do want to get my scalps in today. You know what I'm saying? I do want to get my scalps in today. I want to get my thrills. I want to get my thrills. You know what I'm saying? So I am still interested in making a play over at SPY. It looks like SPY actually had 2 rejections right here. One coming in at around 10 a.m., which lines up perfectly with my sensibilities. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to talk a little bit more about Mara, but SPY is looking very opportunistic right now. I'm gonna give SPY a little bit more time today, man, because I just wanna be sure. We are looking at SPY at an obscene level at this point. It's obscene, man. I mean, honestly, the more I look at it, you know, it's almost like watching a dude sitting at a table. He just eating nonstop, and you like, man, are you full yet? Like food running down his mouth, stuff like that. He's looking crazy. You know what I'm saying? He's looking wild. He's looking like an animal. You know what I mean? I'm just like, bro, you know the time is coming. Like you fatten yourself up for the slaughter, because the time is coming. You can't keep this up. So I do got this Mara trade. I am watching SPY. I want to see what it does right here. I actually would prefer if it tests that VWAP just one more time before dropping off here. That made me feel a little bit more careful, since I missed this entry right here. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, missed it a little bit. I think this one actually came in at exactly 10 a.m. I wanted to time it with the market. Maybe I'm a little late, but I did have a 1K entry in Mars, so that's probably what slowed me down, because I had something going already. You know, when I have a little bit of a one-track mind, man. What's going on, S1? S1 in the building. What's popping, my boy? Good morning, man. I love that, man. I love the energy this morning, man. Good morning, my G. Good morning. Yes, sir. Good. Yes, sir. Asia Bev. Good morning. Good morning, Asia Bev. Asia, you know what I'm saying? She slays you. Nothing major. You feel me? So anyways, I want to tell you guys why I got this Mara trade, and I'm also going to keep my eye on SPY right here, because, you know, it's after 10 a.m. I do wish I would have, you know, got an entry when it was sitting on the VWAP right here. That would have been a lot more comforting, even though that doesn't really guarantee anything, but it just, you know, I would have felt a little bit better. You know what I mean? Felt like I got in there a little on the early side. SPY is looking pretty tight today. I'm not going to lie to you. It was up about 15%. Now it's down to 0.08. It's been trading pretty tight. This is a really small margin for SPY to trade in. So we might be able to see some really clear highs and lows on SPY that are really, really tight today. And if that happens, then we might be able to hit SPY 1, 2, maybe 3 times. You know, last time we looked at those highs and lows, we had it right on the mark. So, you know, be something interesting to look at. SPY making a move to the upside right now. So got knocked off from about up here. So it's moving a little up right now. My thing is, what would make me actually take an entry on SPY is if SPY actually tries that VWAP and then comes down and hits that low again. I'd actually take that up on that offer and do a little something right there. Get a little something going. So I want to talk about this Mara trade while that's happening. I'm going to set some alerts on SPY just so we don't miss it. And this time, I'm going to have those alerts front and center, like staring me in the face. I actually changed my layout just to show alerts, just to show my price alerts. I changed my layout just for that. I actually got to save it. But I got it so that there's no confusion. I'm actually going to show you guys, for those of you trading on a desktop computer, I'm going to show you guys what I did to make my alerts a little bit cleaner, to just show exactly what I want to see and not all the other nonsense. Because there were some things mixed up in there that I didn't care about, that I did not care about. So, oh man, decisions, man. Yeah, I don't like it right here though. I'll give it some time though. I'll give it some time. I mean, if I miss a little bit, like there's two ways I can come in. I can either come in as it trades up to the high and then rejects again, or I can come in all the way down here and just bet that it's done for the day. There's two ways I can come in. So I'm not too worried about being left behind because you got to remember, this is Mar. Yeah, I mean, this is a SPY right here. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, if I come in at the bottom, if I come in late and I come in down here, I'll just get contracts that are a little bit further out. I won't go 0 day. You know what I mean? But if I get to come in up here, then I'll do a 0 day. If it's coming back down, I'll do a 0 day contract. But if I come in down here, I'll just bet a couple days out. So I'm not too worried about it. Not too worried about it. So yeah, man. Let me talk a little bit about the trade that I did, that I put out there this morning. If you were watching this morning, you saw what I was talking about. So basically, I jumped into Mar, and I'm going to show you guys the reason I jumped into Mar, why I'm in Mar right now, and what I'm trying to accomplish. So as you guys know, Mara overall has been on a tear. It's been so bullish. It's defied gravity. It's defied reality. It's defied the multiverse. Even the motherfuckers at Marvel over there are like, damn, bro. You know what I'm saying? You got the rings. Like, what's going on? But we always had a point of resistance. Remember, we did this like on a study hall like long ago, but we always had a point of resistance for Mar. And no, we had a point of resistance for Mar, but then I went and revised it actually. Sorry, this is not the same one. I actually went and revised it to the last time Mar actually sold off, which on the weekly goes back here to exactly the price it sold off today. 32.39. When I looked at the 4 hour over here, that's basically that triggered the actual decline. It was still green coming up, and then the actual decline triggered at 32.39, which I think is where it started to sell off today, man. You know, the stock market, as we know, is all patterns. It is all patterns. So it's 32.39, and this one started at 31.97. So just about in the same area, And I drew a supply zone that basically encompassed a couple points up, couple points down, just to cover that area for the most part. As soon as it got into that supply zone, that's when it got weak, trended down. You know, I'm going to say something, and this is for the people that hold things overnight. I'm going to say something. I'm not going to lie. The trade would be like 20 million times better if it was a situation where I just saw that Mar trended up too much yesterday, up 15% yesterday, and I saw it was that supply zone, and I just took a trade. If I would have bought like an out the money contract and literally just sold that thing at like market open, you know what I mean? That would have been a killer. Unfortunately, you know, I mean, the way my risk is set up, man, I've never been too comfortable with just buying things that haven't already started their trends yet and just betting that they're going to start their trends and trying to look at like that overview on the longer trend to be like, okay, on the long trend, look at where it's at right now. Let me just bet against that. But I need to start doing that because I was looking at that this morning and I was like, damn, I would have been able to kill Mar in like a ridiculous way if I did that. You know what I'm saying? It was down 7% at market open coming out that pre-market this morning. It would have been crazy. You know what I'm saying? But what made me get in this morning, or how I bought in, is I actually started the day with Mar calls. I kid you not. At market open, it opened up at its low, and I expected some sort of liquidity to come in, some sort of money to come in. So I got 0 day Mar calls and ran this up just a little bit. You know, I didn't have too much money in there, but I had something, you know, and I made a like 100 something. It was nothing, you know what I mean? And then as it started to come down out of top band right here, and as my call started to deplete a little bit, you know, I jumped out the situation and jumped into puts right here, caught the puts, caught the drop, made it to about 30% profit down here on these longs. I specifically planned out my contract. I looked for the contract with the best delta that I could get that had at least a little bit of time on it, but not too much time on it, because I am betting that Mar is going to struggle a little bit. And I want to actually be solidified in that bet. I want to actually make some money off of this. I don't want it to move super slow. So I went with a January 5th contract, which is a January 5th contract. It's just a little bit out. It's not too far out. It is the very next contract outside of the weekly. It's for next week, next week. I went with a January 5th, 8 days out. And I got a decent contract, man. I got a $25 contract because I wanted some motion. You feel me? So I went pretty far out the money. The open interest on this contract was incredible, man. It was Open interest on this contract was incredible. It was, it's the most popular contract out there. It's 10,984. That's why it's holding its value so much, because people actually are betting on Mar declining. And I took note of yesterday what happened with that CCL contract that I bought that didn't really print the way I wanted it to. And I was comparing open interest to that contract compared to other contracts in the chain, and it was actually one of the lowest ones. And so I sat to myself and I was like, damn, you know what? It's just simply not a popular contract. It just wasn't popular. It just wasn't selling. It just wasn't a popular contract at the end of the day. And I'm so used to trading SPY and getting so accustomed with not checking that. Not even at one point, I even considered taking that out of my options chain as even a reference of even caring whether the contract is popular or not. You know, you can get a contract with a good delta, with a good gamma, but if nobody's really buying it, then it's worth nothing. You know what I mean? And that was kind of the issue with CCL, is that nobody bought that contract in comparison to other contracts in the chain. Nobody really cared about that contract. You compare that to the weekly contracts, people were trading either weekly or they were trading like 3 months out on CCL. But they barely weren't even trading that time space. And even inside of that time space, nobody was really going for that contract. You know what I'm saying? And so that kind of, I don't know if that's exactly the answer, but that's the best answer that I have so far. And that's what looks like the most likely explanation to what happened in that movement. One, the movement, it was relatively small. And I guess it wasn't enough to really trigger people buying the contract to actually give it the value that it should have been given us. Because the value add was there, but if nobody's even buying the contract, it can't even switch and give that type of value add if it's not being bought. So, interesting stuff to say the least, right? I learned a lot from that, and it put me on my toes, man. And I'm going to be a lot more mindful of that situation moving forward. So this time, I literally made a goal to buy the most popular contract possible. I was like, yo, I want you guys to look at the options chain right now. Look at the options chain on Mar. Do y'all see it? Everybody look at the options chain on Mar. By the way, that Mar is on its way down again and racking up some value points. I'm liking that. But I'm literally gaining I'm literally up more here than I was over here at one point. Like, I'm gaining value on my contract the more I stay in it, because it's just that popular. Like, this is what it looks like to be in like a very popular contract, to where people are actually really excited about it and really betting on it, and it's just gaining value just because people just fucking with it. You know what I'm saying? Regardless of what the stock is doing. I was up 30% down here. You feel me? I'm up 25, 26% up here now because it's just gaining value. By the time it gets down here again, I'll be up even more. You know what I mean? I'll be up more than 30% that second time down. I'll be up even more on that situation. So it's just really interesting, man. It's the most popular contract in the chain. It has an open interest of about 10,984, where the nearest one next to it, anywhere in the chain, has an open interest of about 2,000. So it's like 5 times popular than the next contract. So it's just a really popping contract. People are really rocking with this contract. It's just the one that people want. You know what I'm saying? So I'm following the people on this one. I'm following the people. I'm like an unusual whale right now. I'm following the unusual whales. You know what I'm saying? We'll see how that turns out. We'll see how that turns out. But the value's holding pretty well. Hopefully, by January 5th, that can really rack it up, I think, potentially. My man here said, where's Disney running to, man? He wants to take a look at his good friend Disney, man. Let me take a look. Let me take a look at our good friend Disney. Oh, okay. Disney came out the gate with a little bit of pressure. I always ignore Disney. Even though Disney gives the best drops, the best sell-offs intraday, I always ignore it. Today, I'm not going to do that. Today is Wednesday, and today I am not going to do that. Today is Thursday, and today I'm not going to ignore Disney today. Nah, today I'm on Disney. I'm on you, Disney. I'm on you, Disney. When Disney actually starts showing signs of a downtrend, I'm actually going to hop into the Disney play. I think that's the play that I want today. Thank you, S1, for the shout. You know what I'm saying? But I think that's going to be the scalp, because I do want to get a scalp just for the weekly. I got $1,000 in on Mar, but I want to get a scalp for the weekly, man. I think, I don't have $1,000. I actually have $910, but I've been calling it $1,000 because to me, $900 is a $1,000 entry. You know what I mean? But I just bought 10 contracts. You know what I'm saying? I just did what made sense to me. 10 was a round even number. I was like, all right. But yeah, man. So hopefully, Mar turns into everything I want it to be, man. I already got a stop loss at break even, so I'm really not tripping over que sera, whatever will be, will be. You know what I'm saying? I got my stop loss at break even on Mar. You know what I mean? I got no fears there. It's going to do what it's going to do. It's going to do what it's going to do. But I want to get a scalp, man. I want to pair that up with a scalp position. Because that's my long play. I want a short play that can make some money today. You know? So I got my eye on Disney, man. I got my eyes on Disney, my friend. I just realized I don't really need SPY today. Today's Thursday. Any contract we get in the market is going to make money because they're all short contracts. You know, Disney is a one-day contract, expires tomorrow. You know, SPY's benefit, the reason why a lot of times why we trade SPY is because SPY does have some crazy movements sometime in comparison to the market. And two, SPY typically has 0-day expiration dates where you can make the most money, the most percentage when a crash happens. But I don't really need that today. It's not really important. If I can get my hands on Disney, especially with Disney running like this, if I can get my hands on Disney and get a nice, good reversal, I won't even need SPY. So, you know, something to clock, something we can watch. Yeah, Disney crashes almost every day, so something we watching now. So, guys, as you know, yesterday was a gift and a curse, man. We started the morning with a trade that was frustrating, but, you know, gave us an amazing opportunity of profit. As you guys know, I did not take that profit. I sat on my hands. I didn't take the profit. You know, they threw some money at me. They threw a good little $700 at me. I didn't take it. You know what I mean? I didn't take it, you know. And, you know, that just shows the level of greed that I've made it to. You know, I get offered $700 at the very beginning of the morning, and I'm looking at it like, it ain't enough. Make it enough. You know what I'm saying? Some people look at if they could make $700 in a day, they'd be like, what? Like, where do I sign up? I'm like, bruh, I need thousands. People don't realize I got a lot of expenses, man. I got a mom, I got a sister, I got 2 nieces, and I got a girlfriend. So it's just like, you know what I'm saying? You know, on Christmas, you know what I mean? It was a lot going on, man. So I was trying to bring in those bucks, those Raktaginos, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't take the profit. I did end up getting a little $200 profit later on. That was cool. It was like $280. I ended up ending the day with about $200. I missed a trade that would have made me over $16,000, unfortunately. And it would have been glorious. Oh, I'm back to 30% on Mar. That shit going. That shit going. You know, hey, man, this just goes to show, man, not everybody gets it right, because I know a lot of bulls that were even buying calls today for the long, you know what I'm saying, across the board. I was looking in the comments on Webull. People are like, this is a good time to buy for next year and stuff like that. And, you know, they putting themselves in a pickle right here, because this can mean trouble. You know, this is the first time, you know, if you look at this objectively and you're not just blinded by the fact that, you know, it's been running for so long. I mean, it's been running for so long. You know what I'm saying? Like, the moment it slipped, there were news reports coming out on it. Like, this shit could be it. You know what I'm saying? Like, because, you know, this shit could be it. You feel me? And it's a real thing. Bitcoin, as powerful as that thing has been for weeks now, it's really kind of hit a limit. I haven't seen it cross. It was jumping up like $2,000 every weekend, and then all of a sudden it's been staying at under 43,000, just staying there. It's been 2 weeks now. It has not moved over 43. It hit 43 2 weeks ago. By the way, man, Disney is looking a little better, but I kind of really, you know what I'm saying, what's SPY doing? I mean, I would want to actually see a downtrend lock in before I do something on Disney. But it's looking decent. You know, I want to do something real crazy, guys. There's a huge open interest on these cheap-ass Disney contracts right here. These Disney $90 puts for December 29th. They're really cheap. They're going for like 17 cents, and they're extremely cheap. I just want to give this a go, man. What y'all think, man? I want to give this a go. I want to get these really, really cheap contracts, try them out right now, and give myself a one penny out. You know what I mean? I want to give this a go on Disney. When this downtrend locks in, I'm going to buy the cheapest contract because they got a huge open interest. They're extremely popular and they're extremely cheap. And I want to give this a try. I think we can really knock this out on Disney with these cheap ass contracts. I want to give this a go. I'm going to let you guys know when I make the play on it though, but it's going to be when the downtrend locks in. When the downtrend locks in, I'm going to give this a go. I'm going to get this cheap ass $16 contract, and I think I'm gonna put maybe like $1,000 in there. I think I'll do like $1,000. So let me do some math here on how much I need to do $1,000. Let me do some math. Hold on 1 second. Let me do some math. Okay. I just did the math. So I need about 60 of them things as of right now. I'm going to wait on it, of course, because I got to wait for the downtrend to lock in. You know what I mean? Once the downtrend locks in, then, they speak in my language. You feel me? Or I just needed to just hold here for a little bit longer. I'm not going to buy right here. I want it to hold for a little bit longer. And I'm also going to keep my eye on SPY and the rest of the market and make sure that we don't got any surprise uptrends or anything going on like that. Because, I just went back to 30% on MAR. Now I'm back to 21%. So, market's still doing its thing. It's still working itself out. We're going to give it some time. But that's the contract I'm looking at. What do you guys think about that, man? If we come in red right here, you already know what it is. If we come in red right here, we got something cooking. If we come in red right here, you already know what the vibes are. You know what the vibes are. You know what's happening. You know what the haps is, my boy. You know what the haps is. And fuck it. When I come in, I'm going to do 100 contracts. Fuck it. Why not? You know what I'm saying? I'm up on MAR. It's time to take a chance. 100 contracts when I come in. You know what I'm saying? I got something to lose. Today, man. Sometimes I got to take a chance. So I'm waiting for that downtrend to show me that it's a downtrend. Show me you a downtrend. See, now they still cooking. Now I'm going to wait. And they going to get all the time today. They think I'm gonna rush in. They going to get all the time they want today. I'm going to let them do whatever they desire. Whatever the market wants to do, they can do today. Whatever the market wants to do, go for it. Go for it, my friend. Run, Forrest. Run, Forrest. Sorry. Yeah, man, we always miss that thing at S1. That's some real. Let me put that on the screen because we always miss that one, man. We always miss Disney. Every time we look back at Disney, man, Disney done piped up and sold down, and we always miss it. Not today, though. Not today. Today we're gonna hit Disney with the nicest contract we can get, which in my opinion is this $90 put. You feel me? It got a 6 times open interest compared to the rest. I think it can really do something. It's got a 6 times open interest to the rest, going crazy. You feel me? Going crazy. People really, really want that contract because they think this thing can pipe. They think this thing can really run down. So they really betting, trying to get it going. And Delta and Gamma is crazy. $1 down, we looking at 100%. It's at 90.9 right now. Shit, that's like down here. And I'm tripping. I'm just counting Delta and Gamma. No, we should be at 100%, literally like right around here. The Gamma included. We should be at 100%, literally right around here. If it drops from this level right here, but we don't know that yet, so we're gonna wait on it. We're gonna wait on it. We're gonna wait. We're gonna pray on it. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to throw a little TD Jakes on there. You know what I'm saying? We're going to wait and we're going to pray on it, man. When it comes, it comes. When it comes, it comes, yeah. I'm curious, did anybody else jump into that MAR trade, man? I know I didn't do that live on the stream, so I know sometimes when I don't do something live on the stream, man, I'd be the only one in that thing. But I tried to do my best and put it out there, man. I talked about it pre-market and gave y'all my outlook on what I was trying to do that morning. And then when I made my entry, I actually posted it in community chat when I was only in there and it was only up 1%. I posted that in community chat. I don't know if you guys saw that. It was go back and look at it at 9:35. At 9:35 today. No, 9:40, sorry, 9:40. I posted in community chat that I put $1,000 in on the $25 contract, which is the one I'm in right now. Did anybody else get in that joint, man? Anybody join me in that MAR play for the long? Saying because I've been waiting on that MAR play for the long. I've been trying to get a piece of that. Been trying to get a piece of that, Chief. I didn't wanted some. I didn't wanted a piece of that.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Snap. Okay.
Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it.
Hey.
Push it, push it, push it.
Sometimes you gotta push it.
Push it, push it, push it.
Go get the money. Go get the money. Hey.
Go get the money. Go get the money.
Hey.
Go get the money. Go get the money.
Hey.
Go get the money. Go get the money.
Push it.
Push it, push it, push it,
Push it.
push it, push it, push it,
Push it.
push it, push it, push it,
Push it.
push it, push it.
Hey.
Go get the money. Go get the money.
Hey.
Go get the money. Go get the money.
Hey.
Go get the money. Go get the money.
Okay.
Go get the money. Go get the money. Cooking on the pot.
forgot it was hot. That man almost burnt his hand.
Leave me alone, leave me alone. I can work my own block. Go get the money, go get the money.
Yeah.
Go get the money, go get the money.
Yeah.
This racks, I'm a trick on. I got gold digger money, gold digger money.
Woo.
Hood, rich nigga, getting money, push away.
Everything wasn't.
Hey, never looking.
It was too late to jump in when you saw it. Really?
Push it, push it, push it, push it.
Damn, my boy.
Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it.
Hey, man.
Push it, go get the money.
That's why, man, hold on. Let me pause the music right here, man. That's a perfect example right there. It was too late when I saw it, man. This is literally why I trade live, man. Because I truly believe, man, that a lot of times, man, it's hard to follow along and try to do things, man, when you're not seeing somebody, when somebody's not leading by example, when you're not seeing them go through the motions, you're not seeing their thought process, you're not getting a feel for it. You know, to me, it's just easier to learn and easier to start doing things when I see enough of somebody doing it. I'm a very visual learner. You know what I'm saying? I'm very visual. So if you show me something like 100 times, I'm going to get it down packed. You know what I mean? You just got to show it to me over and over and over. Even if, you know what I'm saying, I don't, it's not perfect all the time or whatever the case may be, I'll at least learn enough to where I'll create my own methodologies and things like that. I'll start to get some confidence in what I'm doing because I'll understand where you went right and where you went wrong, which is the most important thing in my opinion. That's the whole reason why I trade live for things like this. If I was somebody that just literally put out trades, like I just literally put out like text, like most people, buy this, or I'm going to do this. It's like, it's cool. You might fuck with it. You might not. But if, you know what I'm saying? If I'm not learning and understanding, like, why'd you do that? You know what I'm saying? What are you looking at? What are your thoughts now? Like, what's going on through your head in this decision right now? Like, I just want the whole situation. I need all that communication in order for me to truly feel like I'm getting that growth. You know what I'm saying? And I noticed the difference. I noticed, like, when I do a trade, it doesn't even matter if I give the position that I did and all that stuff. It's less likely to be adopted if I just do it in a chat, if I just put it out for people to see. And it's more likely to be adopted if you actually are watching me get into it and you watch like my thoughts while I'm looking at it and things like that, and you're more likely to actually take that plunge and actually make that move. You're more likely to do something. You know what I mean? So I noticed those differences, man. That's why I be getting on the head of the homies sometimes, man, when, they communicate, but the communication isn't something that could be easily followed by somebody that, might not know it all. You know what I mean? It's like if you communicate and that communication isn't being received, then you either gotta, modify the way you communicate to make it better, or, just, just consider yourself not really communicating. You know what I mean? Like, what else can we say? What else can we say? Yeah, man, it's more important to, like, in my opinion, alerts are cool, but alerts can only do so much. Alerts only tell you what I did, but it doesn't tell you really why I did it. It doesn't instill you with confidence. So you can see what I did and not even understand the whole spiel of why I did it. If I was just somebody who just put out alerts, I could put out an alert. And like literally what I did this morning is more important than alerts. What I did this morning is I showed my position. I even talked about how much I put into it, and I gave you guys my plan on why I'm buying it and what I'm looking at for the long term. You know what I'm saying? So it's a whole, like, some people just put out an alert where it's just like, buy this price. And to me, that's just not enough information, especially for somebody who cares about their money. Like, I care about my money, so I'm not just going to do something just on, I don't care how good you think you are. I'm not just going to do something just off of I'm doing this. If you don't give me enough information, you don't give me enough evidence on why this is going to be beneficial for me, I got to have some sort of base on it. Even if I'm not the smartest person, I want to at least have some information where I can at least be like, okay, let me judge that on its merits with maybe something you said earlier or something like that. Then I'll just at least feel more comfortable. You know what I mean? Personally. That's just how I feel. So I always try to treat people how I would expect to be treated. Like if I'm communicating to somebody, I want to give it to them in a way where I'm like, okay, I would understand that. You know what I'm saying? And it take me a while. You know what I'm saying? So if I get it, I feel like everybody get it. You know what I'm saying? Not to say I'm stupid or nothing, but just to say I'm very thorough, if that makes sense. I'm very thorough. So like, I need a really round picture. I need a really robust painting. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking at Disney more and more because if Disney crossed this low right here, we on that. If Disney crossed this low right here, we on that. See what I just did right there? Just even that type of communication right there can really give you guys a peek into what I look for. You know what I'm saying? Man, it's looking like him, boy. It's looking like him. If Disney crossed that low, we on that. If Disney crossed that low, we on that. We on that, Chief. If Disney crossed that low, we on their ass. We on that. I'm letting you know that right now. Disney crossed that low, we on that. I'm watching you, boy. I'm watching you. I got my eyes on you because it's right around time right now. 10:34. With this type of gap and this type of uptrend, it's about that time. Like, look at that. It's about that time. If Disney crossed that low, we on that. We on that. Now, realistically speaking, Disney looking, bro, I damn near want to get on that. In fact, I'm about to get on that right now. Fuck it. I'm about to get on it right now. Boom. I'm about to get on that right now. Damn, they didn't give me my full entry. They didn't give me my full entry at the 16 piece. They didn't give me my full entry. They want me to buy a 17. Fuck it. I'll just do it. I just do it. I just do it. I just did it. Oh, no, I must have got in at 16. Yep, I got in at 16. Boom, we on that. I'm in there. Shit, I just said fuck it and put 1,600 up in that piece, man. I just said the hell with it. I just said the hell with it. If I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. You know what I'm saying? If I'm going to do it, I'm up 31% on Mars. So, you know, at this point, free money. At this point, it's neither here nor there. I went in big. I did that whole 1,600 right there on this out the money. I'm trying to see if we could smack that thing. But yeah, it did the drop. I got a 16 average, and it's trading at 16 right now. So yeah, anything to the downside, and we up. We on their ass. We up. So, you know, this is my gamble right here. You feel me? Where we need to defend to, or where I think is comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. Just be careful, man. Be careful. Think about what you're doing right now. You've already shown me them bearish signs, and it's now 10:36. So I expect something out of you. You show me them bearish signs, and I expect something out of you. Don't do nothing fugazi to me. Don't do nothing fugazi. But yeah, where I would defend to is I basically defended these highs. So 90.96, that's the high that I'll defend to. That's as far as I'm staying. Yeah, there we go. It's looking good now. 90.96 is as high as I'd stay in this situation right here, because I'm looking at this as the start of the downtrend. We shouldn't have to retest and come anywhere near this. This should be clean right now, especially with the gap that they got. This is a crazy gap right here. So if this ain't it, it's running too much. If this ain't it, it's running too much, my boy. Simple as that. If this ain't him, we got a problem. If this ain't him, that thing too bullish for me. This got to be him. Based on the gap that they got, the timeline that we at right now, it's already 10:36, 10:40. You know what I mean? Like, this should be the first downtrend that we should get on Disney. It should be the first one. Should be the start. It should be the start. Even SPY hit a high. Apple hit a high. Coming down a little bit. Everything look about right. This look about timing. This look about time. This look about time. This looking like him down. You might think I'm down on Disney. I'm actually losing money on Mars, man. I was up 31%. Now I'm only up 25%. So that's why my shit is going down right now. It ain't looking too healthy. I was up 31%. Now I'm up 25% on Mars. So that's why my thing went down a little bit. And plus on that Disney entry, it shows me having an average of 16. I don't know if everything closed at 16. It says average fill 16, but hopefully everything closed at 16 because it's showing me down 1% on Disney. I don't know what that means though. Like, did I get in at 16 or did I not? Like, what's the word? Did some of them close at 17? Like, what's up? Talk to me nice. Let me know what's going on out here in these streets. Let me know what's going on. Man, what's up? At this point, they got a 17 ask price, so what's good? You gonna calculate us up or nah? You know what I'm saying? You gonna calculate us up or nah? Run me my monies. All right, man. So yeah, we just sitting and waiting right now. I feel like we got a decent entry. We got a good bet on this, you know what I'm saying, for this being the first downtrend. And I think we can hit this. You know, I'm pretty confident. My MAR was looking a lot better a second ago. I'm only up 23% on MAR. So, and, you know, I'm so heavy in Disney that being down, like, it's saying I'm down 1.8% in Disney, but even being down that much really cuts into my profits because I'm damn near twice as heavy in Disney than I am in MAR. I got $1,000 in MAR or $900 in MAR. I got $1,600 in Disney, just to be clear. I got $1,600 in Disney. I got only $910 in MAR. So there is a difference, my friend. So that's why it's only showing me up slightly until this Disney gets into profit, man. Until this Disney go green, I ain't gonna be talking about nothing in my P&L. Trust and believe that. I got too much money now across the other way. Damn, we got us the downtrend, and we got a nice little drop right here, but they got to print us up our coins. Like, what's up? What's up? What's up, man? How much movement do we need to get to go to 17 cents? Because really, that's all we need is 1 penny up. Right now, we got a bid price of 16 and ask price of 17. So we're 16 and sellable. So we're sellable at our entry right now, but we're trying to get that 17 bid because that's when we see that profit. That's when we see that profit, man. We're trying to get that 17 bid. What's going on? Usually Disney, like I said, when Disney sells, Disney sells. Typically Disney sells. Every time I don't think it's going to do it, it always does it every single time. So Disney always sells completely. Like it'll give up its whole thing and by the end of the day be all the way down here. I don't know why it does that every single. Well, I actually do have an idea why it does it. But it does it every single time. I doubt there's even been a single day where I've looked at Disney and it hasn't given up its entire gain for the day. It'll shoot up for half the day. And then the second half of the day is nothing but selling for the entire day. The entire rest of the day is just selling. I'm like, golly. And I always feel like I missed out on something. Woo! Woo! What's up? What's up? What's up? Yo, talk to me nice. Why is my thing? What's up? Oh, boy. This is an effort in futility. So I'm just waiting. Right now. I'm up 25% in Mara, but Disney is showing me down 7% because it's trading at 15 cents when I got a 16-cent entry and it's trading at 15 cents. And I got a 16 average on that bounce right there. So I'm still between a rock and a hard place here, but you know, I'm just waiting. I'm just patiently waiting. We still looking good here. We're still underneath the highs, technically still in the downtrend. It just went back to, I'm now only down 2% or 1.8% in Disney. They just gave me my penny back. I guess that bounce kind of scared them a little bit. So they put that money on there. They took it right back though, because they realized this ain't that much. They took it right back to 16 cents. I'm just waiting for some continuation. I'm just chilling, waiting for this to continue down. But Disney, talk to me. I need you to talk to me, my friend. I need to have a conversation with you. Like, boy, don't do nothing funny style here. Clean double top and come straight down, my boy. Clean double top and come straight down, my boy. Don't do nothing funny. Man, Mara picked back up. I'm looking good in Mara again. I'm looking good. Oh, my God. Yo. Whoa. Whoa there, Chief. Whoa there, Chief. Disney lost some, like, yo, this shit is volatile. Golly. Woo, Disney. Woo, Disney. Disney was doing some things right there. I'm not going to lie to you. So Disney piped up and then now it's back down. Okay, Jesus. I'm like, yo, I'm in the thick of things right here. I'm in the thicky thick. You feel me? But Disney is trading at 15 cents. I got a 16-cent average. It's still underneath the highs, so still technically it's in a downtrend. It has not broke the downtrend yet. This is still the same downtrend that it started over here. Until it hits this high right here, it's not breaking the downtrend. But like I said, I'm super conscious about everything because I'm just super conscious about everything. You know what I mean? So I gotta go through the motions right here. I gotta go through the emotions. But I feel good because Disney has never failed. It's never failed the downtrend test. It has never failed, but it's got me on my toes, man. It's definitely got me. I'm paying attention. It's got me on my toes, Chief. It's got me on my toes. I'm on my tippy toes with good old Disney here. I'm on my toes now. I'm up 29% in Mara, and I'm down 7.9% in Disney because Disney's trading at 15 cents, and I have a 16-cent average. But that just gives you an idea how much 1 penny is. If we go from 16 to 17, we already up 15, 17% off that one move. You feel me? Now it's back to 16 cents. Now I'm down 1.8% in Disney. They playing with the money right now, bro. They playing with the money. They playing with it, bro. They playing with it. I can't wait till this thing kicks off in our favor, though, because right now they playing with it. They playing with my emotions. They playing with the munyon. See what I'm saying? I need them to not play. That says a lot, man. 1 penny is like 15%, bro. So if this thing drops from here and we hit like 20 cents, 21 cents down here, we looking at a real nice payday. We looking at some real good percentages. It can get real sexy out here. But yeah, we just got to wait on it, man. Right now it's 10:44. Like I said, the downtrend has officially started, technically. It hasn't broken out of that yet. We're still in the same downtrend we were at. Disney is back down to being only down 1.8%. So I'm back in some good profits here. Back up $240 for the day. I'm just waiting. Oh, man. I'm just waiting, brother. Oh, no, this ain't going to be no CCL. This ain't going to be no CCL. This is just moving slow because the contract is literally, we got 1 penny we got really cheap contracts, so it takes a lot. You got to keep in mind, going 1 penny up is like 15%. So it's not showing you that we up like 5%, 7%. It's only going to show you when we up 15. And then it's going to jump straight from 15 to being up 30% on the next one. Like each penny is like literally 2 pennies up is 30%. That's how you got to think about it. 2 pennies up is 30%. So a real drop from here, we're going to get, you got to keep it. This hasn't really, like look at this. Like, trust me, down here, it would be up like 20 cents. It would be up like 20 cents down here for sure. This is barely even moved. So you got to put that in perspective. I was all zoomed in and we looking at it and we got it stretched out like doing this and stuff. So it looked bigger than what it is sometimes. You feel me? But if we actually go to like the default, you know what I'm saying? This is like the default range right here. This is the default range. We bought in right here and it fell right here and it's dancing around in this area and it's at our price right now. We're at break even. It's at 16 cents. So yeah, man, we good. Trust me. If it breaks this low right here and gets up out of here, we Gucci. This ain't no CCL. CCL put a bad taste in your mouth, man. We sat at CCL at break even the entire time, bro. That shit was sick. CCL ain't gave us no motion. Yeah, we just waiting right now. We waiting, man. Man, we 16 and sellable right now. I just hate that it keeps showing me in the red on it. It's still showing me down 1.8% on this Disney, but I'm 16 and sellable. Okay, no, we're not 16. I'm tripping. We're not 16 and sellable. It's bid price 15, ask price 16. So we're actually not 16 and sellable. So why is it showing a 17 up here? I'm looking at the options chain. That's not what it is. Is this going by last? That's probably going by, that's going by last order. So somebody got it off at 17 and it's showing us the last order that has some volume on it. Okay, got you. Yep, I just looked at it. It's last. Okay, all right. Say less. Say less. Learn something new every day. At my big age, learn something new every day, man. You learn something new every day, man. Oh, man. Yeah. Ooh. Still hasn't broken a downtrend yet, but goddamn, is it testing your boy? Is it testing your boy? Your boy's being tested. You know what's crazy? I'm still green for the day because of the Mara call that I had in the morning. So still green for the day, even though I'm temporarily red right now. I'm down $15, but I'm still green for the day off the Mara call. I did a Mara call the moment the market opened up and hit that hoe. And made a couple hundred off of that. Hit that hoe. So I'm still green for the day. I'm back up. Come on, man. Talk to me nice. God damn it. It refused. Disney is not trying to talk to me nice yet. It just went back to our break-even price. Now we back at 16. That thing is like literally 14, 16. Like, bruh, we need this thing to come down, break this low right here, and be done with it. I'm up 30% on Mara, man. Don't ruin this for me today, Disney. You always give us the downtrend. Don't give me no confusion today. No confusion. I want this to be clean as a baby's bottom, or smooth as a baby's bottom. That's the expression. Smooth as a baby's bottom. You know what's crazy? That expression is so innocent, but like I feel like nowadays that expression to get somebody in trouble. You know what I'm saying? Smooth as a baby's bottom. Somebody gonna be like, "What you mean? What you like baby's bottoms? What you trying to say?" Yeah, I don't like how you said that. We make everything weird nowadays. Like, there's nothing weird about saying smooth, but like it's a baby, bro. Nobody's sexualizing a baby. It's a goddamn baby. You know what I'm saying? Even pedophiles ain't interested in babies. They at least want like a toddler or some shit. You know what I'm saying? They don't want literal babies. You know? So like society is weird for that. I think it's weird. I hate when people are like talking some mundane shit and somebody makes it all weird. What do you mean by that, bro? It's just like, come on, G. Like, come on, bro. Like, don't do that. Don't make the conversation awkward for fun to get your rocks off. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't do that. There's no reason to do that. Don't do that. That's all I'm saying. Don't do that. Don't make it weird. You know? Don't do that, Chief. We don't need that. It's 2023, man. Don't make 2023 a weird year. Marcall? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Marcall? What do you mean? I'm in Mara Puts, my boy. Right now, I'm up 30% on Mara Puts. I'm not in Mara Calls. Oh, you're talking about this morning, Mara Call. Oh, yeah. I only did it. I'm going to tell you why I only did it. I only did it because I was going to get the puts later. That's the only reason why I did it. Literally, the only reason why I did it is because I was like, yo, they're going to bounce it in the morning like they always do. So I'm going to grab the calls real quick. Then I'm going to spin the block and sell the calls out. The moment the calls get knocked off, I'm going to chase the calls on the price ladder. And the moment they get knocked out, I'm going to jump into the puts, which is exactly what I did. Yeah. This morning I had those Mara calls. Yeah, you're right. I ain't had that much money in them, though. I did like 20-some% on them. I only made like 100-something. Like I had nothing in those Mara calls. I was being very, very careful. This Disney is annoying as hell, bro. I'm going from break even to 14 and break even to 14 every second, just trade in this area. Now it's at 15. Like now it's back at 16. Now I'm back at break even. In this little split second right here, I went to 14 and then I went right back to 16, which is my break even, all right here. Like, bro, if you don't, Mar just went up. Okay, 34% on my 36. Oh, Mar is running. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's knock this hoe out. Golly. Talk to me nice. My Webull is glitching like a mug right now. Like every time I click on something and try to drag it, it's like freezing and stuff. It's got to do with the software that I run, the streaming software. Like it be messing with my Webull on God, yo. I'm scared of the day that one day I'll be trying to do something serious and Webull will be like, no, all because it'll freeze for a second and be like, and I'm just gonna be like, damn. I think that happened one time. It happened once already. Hopefully it'll never happen again, bro. I got a very powerful computer, but I be running a lot of stuff, like to bring y'all this whole production that we're doing right here. I run a lot of programs in order to make that happen. So my Webull be having screen issues and like all sorts of stuff every now and then. But for the most part, I don't care because I don't really touch it that much. Like most of the time we sitting here talking. So I'm not really interacting with Webull every second. So it doesn't need to be like 100% smooth. It just needs to work for when I click on it. That's it. Just don't be messing up when I click. Uh-oh. What we got? We at break even on Disney. It's still an opportunity here. The downtrend was never broken, and now we look like we retesting the lows. It's looking like it's about to be something. Come on, baby. Let's make it something now. Mara is back to 29%. For a second, I was at 36%, man. I was going crazy. I don't think y'all understand what 36 mean. That mean I was making over 300 in the market. 300 on that Mara. I really want this Disney. I have so much more money in Disney. I really, to win the day, I need Disney to pop off because I got too much money in Disney. Like Disney is dwarfing Mara right now. I got $910 in Mara, but I got $1,600 and I need Disney to go. Like without Disney, none of this even matters. Disney is the champion here. I need Disney to print. Without Disney, I'm not even talking about nothing. Disney can do it. Disney can put me in the thousands. And Disney is retesting the lows, so that's a really good sign. Guys, we have a situation here. This is a really strong sign from Disney. Disney is retesting the lows, man. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's get something started. Let's get something started. Where we going? VWAP me, son. VWAP me. You got to bring me to the VWAP, shorty doo-wop. That's what Diddy used to call Carisha. Bring me to the VWAP, shorty doo-wop. Come on. Blast me down. You done already showed that you ain't stopping this downtrend. Blast me down, chief. Get me right. Get me right. VWAP me, shorty doo-wop. Shit, by the VWAP, I'm thinking we probably got about 2 pennies to 3 pennies right there, because that's 16 right now. I think we'll either be at 18 or 19 at the VWAP, so that's about 40%. Anywhere between 30 to like 40-something% will be at the VWAP. We'll be at the VWAP. The VWAP is a good enough means away that we'll hit. Right now, we now are 16 and sellable. We're 16 and sellable. I'm realizing now that some of my contracts got filled to 17. I'm realizing, because it shows me that I got a 16 average, but I know that I don't got a 16 average, because if I had a 16 average, I'd be green right now, because it's 16 and sellable right now. The bid price is 16, the ask price is 17. So they're printing. I know some of my contracts got filled at 17. I'm 100% sure of that now. Math wise, I know it has to be. That's the only reason why I'm not printing right now. Some of my contracts are at 17. So even when it goes to 17, I'm not going to be up 15%. I'm going to be up like 7% or something like that. I'm going to be up like 7%. I know about half my contracts got to be at 17 for sure. Mara is taking off. I'm back to 34% on Mara. Mara going crazy. Mara going crazy. Mara is going nutso, my boy. They trying to do something strange. Oh, man, as soon as I said that, Mara goes back to 29%. Every time I talk about Mara and try to give it props, it go back to the 20s, man. Come on, man. There you go, 30. Now go to 40. 32, okay. 33, okay. Now go to 40. 34, okay. Go to 40. 40 me, shorty. Give me 40, shorty. And give me VWAP, shorty doo-wop. I got to rhyme everything up in here to make it make sense. Disney, I feel like Disney's a matter of time right here. Disney is just a matter of time. Like, that thing is skating on thin ice, Playboy. It's skating on thin ice, Playboy. It's a matter of time before that thing gets cracked off. They skating on real thin ice. I think that VWAP coming in. He said, oh, man, some SPY just got knocked off the cliff. Apple just got knocked off the cliff. Something just happened in the market. SPY just got knocked. Look at SPY. SPY just got knocked off a cliff just now. Oh, yeah, I think this is the moment, right? Oh, there we go. Boom. Disney up 10%. There we go. $170 in Disney. Let's go. Let's go. We got a 17 bid, 18 ask. The moment we get 1 penny, I'm up 10%. I told you some of my contracts were at 17. I knew it, because I should be up like 15% right now, but some of my contracts are at 17. But they printing this now. And I think it's what just happened in the market. That drop in the market just put the fear of God into these motherfuckers now. Ooh, they feel it's feeling like something's about to pop off. I can feel it. I just went from being up 10% to being right back at break even. God damn it. Come on. 1 penny is 10% for me. 2 pennies is like, that second penny is going to be everything. That second penny will take me to like 25%. So going from 16 to 18 is going to be 25% off rip. I need that. I need that in my life. Mara is at 36% right now. Mara is getting cooked. Mara is getting cooked. Come on, Disney. Come on, Disney. You gotta team up with your brother. Together, y'all powers combined, y'all can do this. Y'all need to team up. Y'all need to team up. Y'all powers combined, y'all can do this. Oh, I'm up 36% in Mara. Mara going crazy. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you. Mara's going nuts. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. Mara is holding it down for your boy right now. Mara going absolutely batshit insane. Look at this. That's Mara right now. This is Mara on the drop. Mara's not playing no games with me at all. Mara doing everything it came to do and then some. I just got so much money in Disney that it's not, the math ain't mathing. Damn, as soon as I click on my Webull and start freezing, oh my God. Stop doing that. Stop. Yo, Webull start, as soon as I click, as soon as I try to change stocks, all of a sudden, glitching out. I might have to reset my computer. I can tell. It's probably because I left my shit running. I probably got to reset my computer. That's it. I just got to reset my stuff. That's it. Eventually I'll do that. Once we looking good in Disney, I'm gonna take some time to reset my computer. Once we looking good in Disney, I'm gonna take some time to reset my computer because it's acting up. It's acting up, Chief. It is acting up. I ain't gonna hold you. My computer is acting a plumb fool right now. It is acting a plumb fool. My man Super said, nah, you slowly coming over to the dark side. Hell nah, boy. Hell to the Noski. Hell to the nah, my boy. We ain't doing none of that. We ain't doing none of that. Ain't no call boys around here. Ain't none of that, Chief. Yo, Apple just broke the low. Apple just broke the low and is trending down. I hope that pushes the market down and really starts to sell, because we got a downtrend on Disney, but it hasn't really kicked off yet. It started, but it hasn't hit it with that oomph yet. But it started. It started about a couple minutes ago, and it did a double top right here. So it started. Downtrend started back here. Literally, it started at about 10:30. Started at about 10:30. So it's been on a downtrend this whole time. It just hasn't flourished yet. But I'm waiting on the flourishing. You know, in order for things to grow, they have to flourish first. So I'm waiting on Disney to flourish. And you can tell I really like saying the word flourish. As soon as it jumped into my vocabulary just now, I just was like, okay, let me run with that. Let me say it 3 or 4 times now. Get a feel for it. I like it. I tried it on for size. It felt good. I really like the word flourish. I'm flourishing right now. So yeah, man, I'm trying to, oh my God, Apple just got peeled off. Oh my goodness. Come on, crash this market. Crash this whole goddamn market. Crash this whole market. Because Apple is going through it. Let's go. Crash this whole goddamn market. It's looking like everything is double topping and coming down, man. Mara is 35% again, man. Take me to 40. I'm still at break even on Disney, man. God damn. Come on, Disney. Break these levels. Come back down here. You was at 10% down here, and down here you'll be at 25. Come on. Just come down. Come on down, Chief. We waiting on you. We waiting patiently. It's trading really tight right now. Disney trading real tight right here. They still got me. They still got me over a barrel right now. You know what's crazy? I don't know if we sellable or not, because they split the spread up. Now we got a 15 bid and a 17 ask. So we split the spread up, but that's actually a good thing. That means people actually tilted more towards the puts now, because before they weren't even considering that. Now in this area, they got the spread a little wider, encapsulating our put position. I'm up 40% on Mar right now. Mar just hit 40. Wow. Mar just hit, 39.5. Technically 40, I guess. Mar is going. Mar is out of here. Mar is done. This might be 100%, 200% play, because it don't expire until January 5th. I was betting, like I told y'all, I was betting that Mar was going to get her downtrend sooner or later. So Mar could come down all the way and hit a target of about 27 at the low. You know what I'm saying? It's got a long way to go. Even for that, you feel me? I could be over 100% at that point, but it could really do something. Like, we don't know. Bitcoin has been stuck for a while now. It's been 2 weeks. So who knows? Mar can really be up out of here. We don't know. Mar can really be up out of here. I'm up 40%, 40.6% on that Mar right now. Mar is running, my boy. If I had a clean 1,000 in there, I'd be up like 400 on that right now. I'm up 42%. I wish I put a clean 1,000. I only put 910 up in there. I wish I put a clean 1,000 up in there so I can get that even number. Because I'm up $370 on that Mar, but it would be 400. That extra 30 just make the difference visually. That Mar is getting cooked out on the long term. On the long ski. We still waiting on Disney, man. Disney's still at break even. We still waiting on Disney, man. Trying to see what it do. I'm waiting on him. You know what I'm saying? I'm waiting on him. He started a downtrend. He never broke that downtrend. He never broke it. So any second now, this could collapse, because he never broke that downtrend. Disney's been faithful to us. She ain't cheat on us yet. She been faithful. She held it down. She been faithful. She ain't leave us. She's still with us. Yeah. I had to talk my shit real quick. I said, Bull said it wasn't possible, but it was just a matter of time to me. I had to put that in the chat real quick on the Discord. The Bulls thought it was impossible. Just a matter of time. They thought Mara would do nothing but go up for years. No, son. It's not how the stock market works. It's not how it works. It don't work like that, man. You got to get realistic. It does not work like that. That's not how the stock market works, baby. You know, eventually things must come to an end. There's two things that are guaranteed. Throughout the day, a stock will go up and it will go down. That is guaranteed movement that's going to happen via the day. And on the long term, a stock will go up and go down. That is guaranteed for the long term as well. So you can't just sit one position long because you never know when that turnaround is going to turn around. It's going to be there. So yeah, man, I'm chilling right now. I'm still waiting. I'm still at break even on Disney. Disney ain't really doing nothing yet. But like I said, it ain't doing nothing in either direction. It's really just kind of sitting still at break even. It's not really doing nothing. It's just holding a break even price. But that Mara, oh my God, that Mara is going stupid. That Mara is going stupid. That Mara went stupid. Bro, I hit 48% and then I went to 50% at the very last second. Now I'm at 44, but I was at 50%. I was like, oh, wow. Oh, wow. That Mara going dummy. And like I said, man, I gave y'all the play this morning, man. I feel bad the motherfuckers missed it, man, because that thing was, it was Turkish delight. It was Turkish delight, man. I posted that thing when I was up 1%. So I communicated that play through and through. I posted it when I was up 1%. I posted it when I was up 10%. I posted it when I was up like shit. I stayed on y'all neck with that. I posted when it was up 1%. I posted it when it was up 6%. Nani was laughing at me when it was up 6%. She wasn't respecting it. I bet she respect it now though. I posted it when it was up 1, when it was up 6. I posted it when it was up 13%. I posted it when it was up 24%. I tried to keep y'all in the loop. I wasn't by my computer, but I damn near was acting like I was live. I gave y'all every step of the way when I was in that Mara. I gave y'all screenshots every step of the way. One, you could go back and look at it. 1%, 6%, 13%, 24%. Now we at 44. Ooh, let's go. Come on, Disney, man. All we need is the Disney to just collapse to that VWAP and we rich. Come on. Come on. Oh, man, we got an 18 ask price. Oh, it's spreading. It's spreading. The Bears are starting to get in play. It's spreading right now. Woo! We got a 15 bid and 18 ask. That bid, they can't figure out. They trying to make up their mind right now. But if they fill this stick out, that goes straight to 18. Because now we got an 18 ask price on it. That goes straight to it. That goes straight to it. If they fill this out, that goes straight to it. Right now, the Bulls and the Bears, they don't really know. They like, yo, this thing could crash, but we don't know. We about to see it. We about to see it. Here we go. We about to see it. Here we go. Flush this out. Give us that ask price, and we out of here. Yep, here we go. Here we go. Give us that ask price. We gone. We gone. Give us that ask price, and we gone. Let me show y'all up. There we go. Boom. In profit. Disney just hit. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Now we got a 17 mid. We got a 19 ask price. Anything past this, we're going to jump straight to 19. If we cross that trend line, we pass 19. We'll be at 20-something at VWAP. We'll literally be at 20-something at VWAP. Not even 20, but I was thinking like we're going to be at 19 at VWAP. No, we're going to be at like 20-something at VWAP. It's going. It's going, Chief. It's going, Chief. We hit the VWAP, we're going to be at 20-something. It's going to be like 2021. We hit that VWAP. It's going to be 2021. 2021, maybe even 22. And if, oh, God forbid we make it down here by the end of the day. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, that's 100% play. You already know. That's 100% play. We would really only need hit 32 for 100% play. Oh, Disney. Why are you playing games, bro? You are killing me, bro. You're literally killing me. You are killing the vibe up in here, bro. You are literally killing the vibe. You are killing the vibe, my guy. Come on. The only thing I'm saying, oh my God. Disney, what the fuck, bro? You are killing the vibe. They still keeping my value, though. They keeping my value. I'm still up 4% in Disney. I'm still up a cool little $70. They keeping my value. But come on, man. This is getting out of hand. Hey, my guy. This is getting out of hand, Chief. This is getting out of hand, bro. Like, you got to print for me. Honey, you got to print for me. You got to really crash this down. I need to get some room so that I know you're not coming back. I need some room. I need you down at the VWAP so I know you're not coming back. Oh, I'm heading back to 50% on Mar. Oh, shit. We at 50% on Mar again. Let's go. We at 50% on that Mar easy. We at 50% on that Mar easy. Come on, Disney. I'm in profit on Disney now, which is good, but I still ain't happy because I've not gotten any space here. They've not really given me, Disney. I know they did not just disrespect like that, bro. I know they did not just disrespect like that, bro. Like, why is you disrespecting like that, bro? You disrespecting at this point, bro. You disrespecting at this point, bro. What is the dealio? Disney got to, they not going to respect it until it's a full-on crash, bro. That's really what it is. They not going to respect this thing until it's a full-on crash. They just took my money. There we go. Come on. This shit is getting annoying. Disney, collapse, my boy. Collapse. Collapse. I want you laying in a bowl of spaghetti with your face down like they shot you in the back of the head. Italian mafia style, man. They got to put you in that spaghetti bowl, man. They got to spaghettify your ass. This is getting annoying. Come on. Disney. This shit is rich by noon, man. It's 11:12, man. We don't got long. I want to be up out of here by noon. Come on. When are we going to get that crash? When are we going to get that real drop? That real penny dropper? We haven't gotten that yet, man. We ain't got that yet. We just waiting. We just waiting on this thing to flesh out. We waiting on that real penny dropper right now. You know what I'm saying? We waiting on that penny dropper. That thing that's just so sexy. It's like, oh, Lord. I'm at 51%. Mara, let's go. Mara is talking to, no matter if Disney's talking to Mara said, I'm talking to you. Mara is the one that loves me for real. Disney wants to be with me, but Mara is the one that's showing up every day. You feel me? Mara putting in the work. Mara said, I'm going to pick you up from work. I'm going to rub your back. You feel me? I'm going to cook your dinner. Disney is like, look at me, I'm cute. You know what I'm saying? Disney don't really want me, man. Disney just wants to get by on its own merits. Mara's the one that really cares about me. Disney, if you care about me, you'll show me love for real. You got to crash down and show me the love for real. Because you don't really love me, Disney. You don't love me like you say you do. You don't love me like you say you do, Jody. Man, I'm on 52% on the 53%. That Mar is going. That Mar is, when this Disney kick in, 60% on that Mar. God damn. Yacht. That Mar is going, honey. If that Disney was kicking in right now, I'd be talking about something. I'm waiting on this Disney to kick in, man. I'm still at break even on Disney, but when I'm break even, I'm down because some of my contracts are at 17. So Disney still got me down $80 right now because some of my contracts are at 17. So break even for me is negative. So I need Disney to be at 17 cents in order for me to be positive and really at break even. You feel me? 17 is break even / positive for me. So I really need that thing to go. But I know that Disney has never failed. Disney has never let me down. Every time I've looked at Disney at the end of the day, it's always done this and been back here, down at back to 90 by the end of the day. So I'm having faith right now and I'm sticking with her, even though she's playing some real serious games with me, because I know even 1 penny up is 10%. 1 penny up is 10%. 2 pennies up is 25% for me. It might be more for somebody else. 2 pennies up could be like 27 or even 30% for somebody. But I know for me, 2 pennies up is 25%. So I don't need much to make Disney a wild success. I really don't need much. I need 2 pennies. But that Mara is pulling its weight. It's made me so comfortable. That Mara is pulling its weight. It's going stupid. It's going dumb. Oh, there we go. Disney just kicked back into profit. There we go. Boom. Disney back in profit, and now y'all seeing my real numbers now. There we go. There we go. Oh, Mars at 60%. Oh, could this be the stock market crash right before New Year's? Oh, Disney up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Disney is up out of here, Chief. Disney is up out of here, Chief. I want to believe. When we crack the VWAP, that's when we bearish for real. I want to believe. I'm holding out faith. I'm crossing my. I want to believe. Make me believe, because I want to believe. I want to believe, Disney. Take it all the way down and break the VWAP. I want to believe. You've done it every single time. Don't make today the exception. I want to believe. I'm daring to dream. I want to believe. I know that you can take me to 100% today. I know you got it in you. I know you can. I know I put 1,600 in you. I know you can give me 1,600 back. I know you can do it, Disney. I want to believe. I want to believe, Disney. I want to believe. I really do. I want to have faith. I want to trust the process. I want to trust the process. You've never failed. Every single time, Disney, you've always filled that gap to the downside. And you've always filled it all the way. You've always filled it all the way. You've always filled it, let alone stopping right here. You've always filled it down here. You've always sold off the entire thing. I want to believe. Make me a believer, Disney. Don't fail me now when I need you the most. Don't fail me. I want to believe. I want to trust the process. Oh, Disney is getting cooked right now. I want to believe, Disney. I want to believe. Now I'm going to need that 20 cents to kick in because we got a 20-cent ask price right now. I need you to flip over to 20 cents and give me that 25% gain. I need you to flip over to 20 and give me that 20. I need it. Disney, I need it. I want to believe. Disney, come on, give it. There we go. Disney, do it. Do it. Do it.
Damn,
Disney,
son, where'd you find this?
Push it, 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 push it. Go get the money, go get the money. 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 Push it, 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 push it. Go get the money, go get the money. 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 Cooking on a pot, got a scale away to rock. Almost burnt my fucking hand. I forgot the shit was hot. I'm just trying to get a knot. Had the shit up in my sock. Leave me alone, leave me alone. I can work my own block. Go get the money, go get the money. Go get the money, go get the money. All this racks, I'm a trick on. I got gold digger money, gold digger money. Hood rich nigga getting money, pushing weight. Everything was an A, now it's looking like a play. Push it, 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 push it. Go get the money, go get the money. 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 Push it, 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 push it. Go get the money, go get the money. 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 Push it, 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 push it. Go get the money, go get the money. Go get the money, go get the money. Go get the money, go get the money. Go get the money, go get the money.
So I had to get my dance on. I had to get my dance on, son. I had to get my dance on. What? That's my expression when I win. It's going to be like, what? Oh, Disney. Oh, thank you, baby. 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 I sound like an old grandmother. Thank you, baby. Thank you, kindly. And there we go. And there we have it. My daily minimum achieved. And guess what? Ladies and gentlemen, Guess what, lady? I'm literally $200 away from being up 20,000. I'm literally $200 away from being up 20,000. $200. If I can get $200 in the next couple minutes, I will be up officially $20,000 on this account. I will have reached my goal. I told y'all the comeback was a moment of time. I told y'all was going to see it. I told y'all the comeback would be televised. You know how they say the revolution, it will be televised or would not be or whatever? I told y'all the comeback would be televised. I'm up over 70% in Mara right now. I'm up 22% in Disney. You feel me? I need this crash to really kick in, though. I need it to kick in. I need to kick in. Because I need more than that. I need about $200 more. If I get $200 more, I'm up 20,000 officially today. I will have hit my goal. $200 is all I need. That's all a brother needs. A brother is thirsty. That boy's starving. That boy's starving, Chief. I'm thirsty. That boy's starving. I'm starving like Marvin right now, baby. You know? I'm starving, baby. Give me that 200. I'm starving. That boy's starving. I need that. I need that. That boy's starving, baby. Starving. I need all of that. Starving. All of it. Starving. Man, I ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. Disney's gonna do it. I have a feeling that Disney's about to hit a continuation. It's about to drop down. It's about to bleed all of this off. And this might be 100% play right here. I ain't going nowhere. Disney has shown me the way. And I am in it to win it. At this point, I am in it to win it. I am dedicated and committed, and I'm in it to win this thing, boy. Y'all saw me at my worst. Y'all saw me at my worst where I had to end the day down $300. Y'all saw me at my worst. Now I'm up 3 times that. You feel me? We ain't worried about that. We ain't worried about that. In a single trade, I'm up 3 times that. I'm on path to take this thing down a notch. And I'm not even gonna stop here. I could take 3 times my loss because I only lost once this week, and I lost $300. I could take 3 times my loss in profit right now, but I don't want 3 times my loss. I want 10 times my loss because I want to prove to y'all that the method works. So I'm sitting right here. I could leave right now. There would be no shame in my game if I took $1,000 off the table right now. No shame in my game. You feel me? But I dare to dream. Y'all know me. I dare to dream. And when you got a dream, when you have a dream, and I have a dream, ladies and gentlemen, I have a dream. I have a dream that little stock traders and little put grabbers and can all come together in harmony and love. And I have a dream, right? I'm serious, y'all. I have a dream. My dream is this. By the end of the day, Disney sells off its entire game today and it's down at $90.31. I'll even set an alert right here just to let me know. That is my dream, y'all. I'm daring to dream. I'm not going to let that Disney go until they make it snow. I'm not going to let that Disney go until they make it snow. You feel me? I have a dream, ladies and gentlemen. I have a dream. So I'm going to leave an alert down here. I'm also going to put an alert right here just to know if they playing games with me. You feel me? But I have a dream, guys. I have a dream. I have a dream. I believe. And I believe. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. I need to be talked to nicely out here. Don't be rude to me. Be nice to me. You feel me? You feel what I'm talking about? Yeah. Talk to me nice out here. You know? Lower your voice, your tone. Make sure your tone is correct when you step to me. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. I need nothing but sweet words. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Talk to me nice. I'm daring to dream, though. I'm daring to dream. Daring to dream. It hit bottom band, so obviously there's going to be a little bit of a bounce right here. I was up at the high of Disney, 38%. Now I'm just up 28. You feel me? But I want to stick around. Bottom band right here, VWAP right here. I'm daring to dream, y'all. I can always add to my Disney position. Keep it G with you. I got 1,600 in there, but that can get heavier. That ain't nothing but a word. That thing went to 21 cents. Exactly how I said it would. It went to 21 cents. It went to 22 cents, to be real with you. Went even heavier than that. But I'm daring to dream. I'm daring to dream. I'm not in too heavy, so I want to stick around because I really do believe that Disney has the potential today. Disney has the potential to sell everything off. Everything. And come all the way down. It has the potential to sell everything off. So I want to stick around and see it all. I want everything going. You know how they say clean out the register and put everything in the bag. That's how I'm coming at Disney right now. That's how I'm coming at Disney. That's how I'm coming at Disney. Yes, sir. That's how I'm coming at Disney. I want everything. Give it all up. Yaga. Oh, man, but I'm daring to dream, y'all. You think I'm about to get these up, man? You smoking Crinac. I'm daring to dream. I'm going to hold that Disney. I'm going to hold that Disney as long as I can hold that Disney, boy. I want to take that places. I want to take it somewhere. I want to dance in the moonlight with that Disney. I want to dance in the moonlight with that Disney. That Disney ain't talking about nothing yet. This is a good drop, but it ain't talking about nothing yet. If you really, like, because you got to remember, we be so zoomed in, making it look egregious. It's not that, this is a very small drop in comparison to what it could do. It's got a big gap. It's less than halfway down. You feel me? Oh, it can do some things. It can go some places. Just give it some time. Obviously, it's going to slow down right here. It's probably going to trade sideways a little bit, and that's perfectly fine. But I believe that another drop is coming on Disney that's going to take it even further. It's going to go all Z way. I think it's coming all the way down. It's going to close that gas. Every time I've looked at Disney, every time I go back, it always sells the whole thing off. It doesn't stop halfway and double top. No, when I look at Disney at the end of the day, it'll be up and it'll be all the way down. So why would I leave right here? Nah, son, I need it all. I need all of that. I need that. I need that. I need all of it. I need that thing to talk to me nice. You feel me? Right now it's talking, but it ain't talking nice enough. It can get a little sweeter. It can get a little sweeter, you know? Call me daddy. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Let's go. Woo! I want to take Disney to the moon ski. I want to take Disney to the moon ski. I had to be a little snarky right there. I said, while giving grace to the Bulls who are taking the day off today, because let's keep it G. The Bulls are taking the day off. That's the thing, man. In reality, Bulls are losing money right now across the board. They got to. Ain't no other way. They got to. The Bulls are either losing money or moving sideways. One of the two. You feel me? They definitely not printing today. Calls ain't printing today. They just not. They are not printing today. Today is a different atmosphere. But I'm not on their head. You know, I'm just doing my thing. I'm not over there, oh, man, no. You know what I'm saying? Because everything has its time. Just like today is my time. Everybody has their day. As long as you're safe about it, as long as you protect yourself, you good to go. But every dog has their day. Every dog has their day. Let the dogs have their day. Let me have my day. Let the Bulls have their day. We all can eat. We all can eat. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm not going to be over there like, man, how dare you do this when this market is doing this or whatever the case may be? How dare it? Like, nah. We can make everybody's can be an expert in hindsight. I can sit here and say, man, you should have known. Shit is at their high. Market is way overbought. Everybody got their day, man. Everybody got their day. I ain't going to hold you. That Mar bouncing a little bit. That Mar, they caught a little bit of heat. That Mar bouncing a little bit. They caught a little bit of heat, man. What you doing, Mar? I just set a stop loss on Mar before it takes me under 1,000. I don't want that bounce on Mar to be too aggressive. I had to move my stop loss up on them boys. They done. I ain't gonna lie, that Mar done bounced back. Disney, even stopping this drop right here, bounced a little bit. I was enjoying myself, but I'm not gonna stop loss Disney. Disney, I'm sticking with. Mar, I'll collect profit on if it moves any higher than this. I'll take profit on Mar. I already set a stop loss on that to take some profit there because that thing bounced way too hard. That thing bounced way too hard at the bottom right there. But now it's falling back down again, so nice. Ooh, I'm back up 60%. I was like, yo, Mar was starting to cook me for a second there. I'm like, yo, chill. I had to put a stop. I had to move my stop loss up. I had a break-even stop loss on Mar that I never moved. I was like, nah, you ain't about to get me with that. I'm taking profit today. You ain't about to get me with that. You ain't about to get me with that, Chief. We ain't doing none of that. We ain't doing none of that. Nah, there's some profit taking going on, baby. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Bro, this thing is literally a penny away from my stop loss on Mar. It's like 2 pennies away, bro. Come on, Mar. Don't. Oh, there we go. Back up. Woo! You was getting spicy for a second. Disney, of course, also got a little spicy. I was up 38% in Disney. Now I'm only up 22%, but that's cool because I'm riding Disney. Disney, I'm going for all the marbles on that one. Disney, I'm not selling that one. It's break even or it's 100 for me. Disney, I believe, can take it all the way down. And I'm backing that up with the fact that regardless of the situation, I'm leaving with a minimum of $700 just based off of Mar alone, because my profits is locked in on Mar. I got a stop loss on that in profit. So I'm leaving with something on Mar regardless. But I believe Disney's going to reject right here at the VWAP. It's going to come test these lows. And by the end of the day, Disney's going all the way. And I'm sticking the whole way to see that. I'm going for all of it. All of it. I want it all. I want it all. I want all of it. Every last dime. Every last dime I want it. Today is the day of redemption. Today is the day of revenge. I want revenge on Disney. I want revenge on Mar. Today is the day of vengeance. I want revenge. I don't think y'all hearing. I want revenge, goddammit. I want revenge. Revenge. Vengeance be thy name. I'm petty like that. I want revenge. I'm petty. I'm petty Betty. I want revenge. You feel me? So he said, every day is our day. Every day is our day. Now, I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. It's either you win a lot or you break even or you just win a little. That's the goal. Win a lot, break even, or win a little. I only took one loss. If you really think about it, in the last 3 weeks, I took two loss days. You feel me? That's that SPY one that set me back, where I had to crawl back on my knees. And obviously the $300 one. Woo! Disney's still up, though. It's still up. But damn, that threat. I'm going to have to, on the next drop down, I got to double down on this. It's the only way to make it make sense, because I let it go too far. The only way to make it make sense is I get that second drop and I double down on it. That's the only way. So if it comes in red right here and it starts to reject again, I got to buy into Disney. I got to put more in it. That's the only way to make it make sense for sticking around. Thankfully, the Mar is still in play. I got a stop loss on Mar, so I can only go down so much. I'm going to leave with a minimum of $700 no matter what. Or around $600 no matter what. But I want 2,000. My goal is 2,000. So I want Disney to circle back around, and then I can add a little bit more to Disney. Go take it from $1,600 to a $3,200 entry and really get heavy on that thing. Really get heavy on that thing. Really sit down on that thing. Really get it heavy. And it could be right here. When they test the lows again down here, I'm adding to that Disney. When they test the lows, I'm going to buy into that Disney. And I'm going for the gold. I'm going for the gold. But I'm leaving here with something. I done locked in some profits on Mar on the stop. So I'm leaving here with something. No matter what happens, I'm leaving here with something. All that matters now is if Disney is going to be the one that's going to take me over the moon. If I'm going to walk away with a couple $100, close to 1,000, or if I'm going to walk away with $2,000, $3,000 today. Disney's going to be the one to make that happen. Disney's going to be the one to make that happen. Oh, Lord. Mar's on my stop loss. I'm about to get stop lossed out of Mar right here. Mar's on my stop loss. Lord, I have a stop loss at 50% and Mar's back to 50% and I'm about to get kicked out. Please don't do it, bro. Please don't do it, bro. Please don't do it, bro. Just leave me in there. This is a long play. I don't want to leave on day one. Please don't kick me out. I'm begging you now. I'm talking to you man to man. Talk to me nice, Mar. Talk to me nice. Oh, there we go. Mar's coming back up. Okay, beautiful. Woo! Jesus, you scaring me, boy. You scaring me. You are scaring me. Now I need Disney to reverse, come down to the lows, test those lows so I can do a double down right there. And I'm going to get that thing up to $3,000. I'm really going to take that for everything it's worth. That's what I need. Come on. Come on now. Come on now, baby. And while I'm at it, let me make sure, hold on. I'm setting my stop loss on Disney as well because I ain't going red on Disney. So I got my stop loss at 17 on Disney. 16 average, stop loss is 17. Mar is holding. This is a moment of truth right here. Everything was going to come to a bounce. You that confident in Disney? It's not about being confident. It's about just taking an opportunity. It's not about confidence. It's just, I got nothing to lose at this point. Sometimes it's literally a situation where you got nothing to lose. It's literally a situation you might have nothing to lose. I got nothing to lose in this situation. Here's the facts. I either leave with about $600, $700 in Mar and still have tons of buying power if I want to do more trades. If Disney doesn't work out, like if Disney and Mar, I'll leave at around $600, $700. That's a good enough profit to do another big trade someplace else, and I can still do something, still walk away with me with probably what I already had at the high, which was about $1,000, $1,100. Or Disney reverses down. I get an opportunity to do another buy-in at the low right here, and then I get even more. I get even more because with Disney, there's nothing to lose. I can't lose on a Disney trade. I can only leave at break even, and I don't really need that money because I've locked in the Mara trade. Now, if you don't got the Mara trade and you want to take profit on Disney and you already feel like you got enough profit, go ahead and take it. Disney's up right now. You can take about 22, 25% right now. But me personally, based on my situation personally, and I'm trading based on my situation. This is me right here. This is me. I got something else going on. You already know I got a whole nother trade. So based on my position and my situation, I can risk going for the long haul because for me, it's like, it's just worth it. It's just worth it. You know, sometimes you have an opportunity on sale. I'd be happy with like $500, $600 profit today. I'd be happy with that. That's more than enough. I'd be happy. But if I have a shot to get thousands, I'm going to take the chance. 1,000 looked good to me. It was cool. And I definitely like dancing around and celebrating that. But realistically speaking, 1,000 is not enough. If I have an opportunity where I have a good position, I got some room, and there's a trend that I've caught on to, and I caught on early, and I got a situation brewing, and I can maximize on that, oh, trust me, I'm going to maximize. So when Disney turns around and comes down and tests this low right here, you best believe I'm going to go for it. And me putting more money in at the low just means me following the trend because it's back at the low, retesting the low, and it's a gamble. I put that money in, I get knocked out if it bounces, or if it drops down, I get twice as much. It's the gamble. But I know if as long as I'm leaving here with a minimum, I'm okay. As long as I leave here with a minimum, I'm A-okay. So I'm betting. I'm taking a gamble. It's all dependent on the individual. Some people want to take the risk. Some people might not want to take the risk. Me personally, I'm going to take the risk. The risk might play out. It might not. But at the end of the day, I'm not even in a situation where I'll go break even for the day. I'm in a situation where I'm at least leave with a couple $100 regardless and still have buying power to do something else. So I'm happy with my shit. Man, the market is bouncing again. Jesus. Market, calm down. I'm back to 50% on Mara again. Lord, I'm at my lowest position right now. Like I said, lowest position. This is basically where I start getting kicked out of stuff. Whew. At this $600 mark. Oh, man. Moment of truth. Either the market is going to reject right here and things are going to turn right back to the floor, or I'm going to be leaving with a couple $100 for the day. I'll still be up for the week. But I won't nearly be at the high that I had just a moment ago. But I'll still be up for the week, though. So I'll be happy with it regardless. But I want to knock this out the park. I want the opportunity to knock this out the park. And it could happen. One or two ways it could happen. Even if I leave Mara right here, which is looking more and more likely, it's looking like I'm about to get kicked out of Mara. If I leave Mara at a 50% profit on Mara, I've secured about $500, somewhere $470, $500. Well, really, it says my profit and loss on Mara is $450 right now. So I secure about $450 on Mara. It's literally about to sell me, right? It's sitting on my stop loss. So 1 penny underneath this is what I'm taking. So I'll take about $450 on Mara. That'll be locked in. And I'll still have an opportunity for Disney. If Disney turns around, I can still get an opportunity there. But it's a crapshoot. It's a crapshoot now. Because if I get kicked out of Mara and I get kicked out of Disney, I'll still end the day with the money I made from Mara and the Mara calls that I had this morning, which would be significant. So I'll still end the day with about $700. So I'll still be good. But damn, I just want it bad. I want everything to be perfect. I just want this thing bad, man. Mara's literally sitting on my stop loss. Disney is sitting at the highest. God damn. This is a critical moment for me, man. This is the moment of truth where the market really shows me what it is. Moment of truth, man. If Disney shoots up to the high, bro, I'm going to be sick because I'm getting kicked out. Because I got my stop loss set on Disney for sure. I'm not risking it. I got my stop loss 1 penny up. You know how you got to do it. You got to do it 1 penny up. I got a 1 penny up stop loss on Disney to protect me and take me out at break even. Mara is literally sitting on my stop loss. I'm up 50% in Mara and it's sitting on my stop loss as we speak. It's literally sitting on it. On the number. It has not moved up or down. It's sitting on it. Please drop back down. Don't kick me out. Don't kick me out. I want to end this 12 p.m. stream in grace, not running like a coward. I'm not even going to say running like a coward. I'll be running like a coward with good money on the table, but I'll still be running. You'll still see me being a profitable trader, but it wouldn't be the Maximus, the gluteus maximus I've been trying to hit. Oh, there goes Disney. If Disney, I'm going to tell you right now, that motherfucker right there is not real. But yeah, if Disney comes under this VWAP, I'm trying to decide if I want to get it when it comes under the VWAP or when it tests the lows. The smart thing to do is to get it when it tests the lows. That's the smart thing to do. That's the smart thing to do because it could play around right here. But my lizard brain is telling me do it right now. Do it right now. My lizard brain is saying do it right now, but nah. Oh, it's tricky. My lizard brain is telling me do it right now. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to wait till they test the lows. I'm going to play it the right way. The right way is they got to come down and test the lows. They got to come down to 90.53 at least and test the lows. Then I can do it safely. But I will double down. I will hit them at Disney. I'm doing the math on my contracts right now. I got $1,600 in there right now. So what would I need to get? So if it's at 20 cents, how many contracts would I need? 1,600 divided by 20. Oops. I wish I could do math in my head like really fast, like some of those really smart people. So I need like 80 contracts right here. 80 contracts would do it. 80 contracts would do it. Damn, but if I wait till it gets to the low, it's going to be even more expensive. Oh, man. You know what? Fuck it. Oh, as soon as I said fuck it, that's when you go to 21? No! Oh! God damn it! Bruh, if I miss this double down, then all this is for nothing. All this is for nothing if I miss this double down. I'm almost tempted to buy it at 21 right now, but I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to go 1 penny up. I'm gonna just have to miss it and just hope for the best here. They're testing these lows, man. Oh, should I do it, y'all? What do y'all think? Let me know in the chat. Should I do it? Should I buy it at 21? They're asking for 21. Should I buy it at 21 and just bet that this is going to crash here? What do y'all think? Or should I just leave it alone and just stick in the trade and let it be smooth? Oh, my God, it's running. I'm about to miss the opportunity. I just missed the opportunity for 21. 21's gone. It's back at 22. I'm up 34% again. I just missed the opportunity. It's gone. I'm back to $1,000. Fuck, I just missed it. I missed the double down. I was scared, y'all. I was scared. I'm sorry. I was scared. I punked out. You want to know why I punked out? I punked out because they brought it so high. I was scared, bro. I was scared. Okay, they got it at 21 again, guys. Moment of truth, I'm just going to do it. Oh, they took it right back to 22. Fuck, I missed it again. Damn! You know what? Fuck it. I ain't going to do it. I'm just leave it alone. I'm not touching this thing, man. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not doing no double downs, no nothing. I'm not touching it. I'm leaving it alone. I'm done. Guys, it's 11:48. You're now on your own. Rich by noon. We're done for the day. You on your own, baby. Do with it as you will, but I'm not going to give no more guidance on this trade. It's good enough. It's over 50% on Mar. It's up on fucking Disney, up over 30%. Do what you will. Play it how you want to play it. I'm going to leave this alone, man. It is now in your hands, ladies and gentlemen. I trust everybody, and I wish you the best. You can either take profit here or you can stay and go all the way. It is up to you, my friend. Leave it in your hands. But today was a good day. It was a profitable day, and now the rest is in your hands, all right? Good luck, everybody. Rich by noon. We did it. All right, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Everybody be easy.